What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger video. So look, we do have the Maridian finally primed and rivet primer on all the rivets, of course, and we actually just got done now spraying the black. Well, as you see, he's actually almost done spraying the black so we can use it as a guide once we start sanding. We did prime it yesterday and put the rivet primer after the primer was kind of 70% dry. But yeah, the reason we use rivet primer, obviously it says it in the name, so we can cover up the rivets so it could be flat surfaced at the point it's time to paint. Okay, so as you can see, everybody is sanding. And I've been sanding as well. I'm blowing off the wing with this little gadget I got on my DA sander. It's pretty awesome. Also, I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Yeah, the little gadget, it just sticks to the side so you won't have to, yeah, whatever. But anyways, look, you see the rivet primer, how we're sanding it. See, that's the rivet primer, and then after you're being sanded, you see how it looks more flattened. Sometimes it disappears to the point where you can't see it, just like that right there. That's how you want to have it. So basically we do this so it could obviously have a nicer finish, like a high quality aircraft, like a Citation. Basically a Citation doesn't have any rivets, it's all flattened. All Citation aircraft, private jets, they look awesome, they look slick. So this is the main reason we do this. But not a lot of people really, a lot of aircraft painters don't really do this, but this is a very big plus. I would recommend it myself if I was an aircraft owner, but here we go.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
We finally finished the top. I'm over here at the bottom, at the belly. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. We do have this covered because we did spray the wings white. Same day we put the primer and everything. Under the wings, they're white. Same with the gears. Except for the front one. The front one ain't done. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Alright. They're like Brembo brakes, but on aviation, basically. But let me go ahead and finish up, and I'll get back with y'all.